Do you want to know how to get Nintendo Switch customer service? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Visit Nintendo's website. If you are having any technical problems, you can contact Nintendo's support unit for help. To do that, first visit https://www.nintendo.com/consumer and search for the problem in the search support box. The website provides good information related to the console setup, internet issues, problems related to the Nintendo account, controller glitches, digital purchases. Here, you can have a live chat support. This allows you to connect with a representative in real time and receive immediate help for your concerns. Remember, direct messaging through social media platforms like Twitter is not expected to yield a response for customer service requests. So, whatever problem you have, you can state that and follow the instructions provided by the experts team to solve them. Method 2. Contact Nintendo's customer support hotline. Nintendo provides a customer support hotline for major problems that cannot be solved online. The process is simple and is reported to be fast. Nintendo always provides a friendly and hassle-free service to its customers. To contact Nintendo's customer support, you can call 1-800-255-3700. After you get connected, choose the category of your issue and wait till the next available operator contacts. Nintendo's customer support is available daily from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pacific Time. Method 3. Send a help ticket. You can also send a help ticket to Nintendo Customer Care and follow the guidelines provided by the team of experts to fix your problem. To do this, you can follow this link and select the topic of your issue from the drop-down menu. Nintendo assures to offer express factory service through Nintendo. But make sure you do not send any product to them for repairing without contacting them first. Method 4. Join Nintendo's forum. You can also join Nintendo's forums to directly ask other users about your problem and get quick answers. You can also find several other related queries and answers that are provided by regular users. To do that, just click on this link and proceed. Method 5. Check Nintendo's posts. Nintendo has a dedicated support handle on Twitter @NintendoHelpUs, where they post updates and support information. However, it's important to note that Nintendo has announced the discontinuation of X, formerly Twitter integration and social media integration for the Friend Suggestions feature on Nintendo Switch. This change will take effect on June 10, 2024. However, you can check Nintendo's Twitter handle for any issue discussed and the suggestions provided in the posts. Nintendo Switch Warranty. Nintendo of America.inc offers a warranty for its hardware product and ensures that the product will be free from material defects and workmanship for 12 months from the date of purchase. Nintendo assures free repair or replacement for any defective material during this warranty period. But this offer is valid only if the purchaser has registered the date of purchase of the product. For the game and accessories, Nintendo offers a warranty of 3 months from the date of purchase. Nintendo ensures a free of charge replacement and repair for the product purchased within this period of time. What happens if the warranty period ends? To receive service after the end of the warranty period, you can contact the Nintendo support team at support.nintendo.com or avail customer assistance hotline at 1-800-255-3700. In some cases, you need to send the product to Nintendo, but for that, you should first contact their support unit. Nintendo clearly mentions that the warranty shall not apply if the product is damaged by products not licensed by Nintendo. Besides, the warranty is also not applied if the product is used for commercial purposes, tampered or damaged by unauthorized modifications, damage caused due to accidents, negligence, if the serial number is defaced, removed or altered. The Switch has been modified using virus, malware, worms, bots, backdrops, trojans, hacks, and cheats that can harm the product. After the warranty period ends, Nintendo offers paid repair services for their products. Here is what you can expect. You can always reach out to Nintendo's support team via their website or the customer assistance hotline to discuss the issue and determine if a repair is necessary as discussed before. If your product requires service after the warranty has expired, you will be responsible for the repair costs. Nintendo will provide an estimate of these costs when you contact them. You may need to send your product to Nintendo for repair. They will give you instructions on how to package and ship the items safely. The warranty does not cover damages caused by non-licensed products, commercial use, unauthorized modifications, accidents, negligence, or if the serial number is altered or removed. Additionally, any modifications involving malware or other harmful software will void the warranty. Depending on the extent of the damage, Nintendo may either repair the product or suggest a replacement. They will inform you of the best course of action after accessing the product. It's important to note that even outside the warranty period, Nintendo aims to provide support and maintain the functionality of their products. However, it's always best to handle your devices with care to avoid any issues that could void the warranty or incur additional costs. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. And there you have it, the methods to get Nintendo Switch customer service. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.